Here's a workflow most keyword researchers are stuck in and don't even question anymore. Open Keyword Planner, run your search, download the CSV, clean it up a bit, paste it into Claude, then write your prompt. And if something's off, wrong location, want to add seed terms or anything, you go back and do it all over again. What this video shows is how to eliminate all of this middle stuff. Smacient built an MCP connector for Google Keyword Planner that hooks directly into Claude. So instead of the whole export, clean, paste routine, you just ask in simple English. Live data straight into your conversation. Here's how it works. Setup takes under a minute. Sign up for a free Smacient account, grab the MCP connector URL from the dashboard, and paste it into Claude connector settings. It works across Claude AI, Claude Desktop, Claude Code, and Cowork, any Claude client that supports MCP. No Google Ads account needed, no API keys, no Keyword Planner login. Smacient handles the Google API authentication in the background. A sign-in screen appears, enter the Smacient credentials, and that's it. Claude now has two live tools available, one for keyword ideas, one for historical trend. Here's the keyword ideas tool. Give a prompt, something that's like this. Claude calls the API and returns a live table. Keyword, average monthly searches, competition level, bid range, up to 100 keyword ideas per call, straight from Google's data, already inside the conversation. Need a different market? Just follow up. In Keyword Planner, that's 2 more exports and a manual comparison. Here, it's 1 more message, same thread, no starting over. There's also URL-based research. Paste any page, a competitor URL, a product page, a landing page, and Claude generates keyword ideas based on what Google associates with that content. Useful for content gap analysis without any manual brainstorming. Seed keywords and a URL can also be combined in the same request for broader coverage. The second tool is 24 months of historical search volume per keyword month by month. This is what makes seasonality research actually fast. Give a prompt, something that is like this. Claude returns monthly volumes for all 3 keywords and immediately analyzes the pattern, which keyword spikes earliest, how long the build-up lasts, where the drop-off happens. 3 workflows, this changes for marketing teams. Content cluster planning. Pull keyword ideas for a seed term, filter to low competition, ask Claude to group up by intent. Informational, commercial, navigational. Claude can also cross-reference that keyword data against existing site content in the same conversation, so gaps are visible immediately. A content plan that used to take hours comes together in a few minutes. Seasonal campaign planning. Pull 24 months of historical data for target keywords, ask Claude to map the peaks and the build-up windows, and the campaign timing practically writes itself. The prompt might look like, identify the 3 best months to run paid campaign for this keyword set and explain why. Claude has the data and the reasoning in one place. Multi-market client briefs. Same keyword set, multiple countries, one conversation. Target up to 5 locations per call, compare each volume, competition levels, and bid ranges across marketers, and hand over a prioritized brief before the strategy call. For teams working across languages, the tool supports English, German, French, Spanish, Japanese, and more. Location and language targeting can be combined in single request. The thing that changes across all 3 is that the data stays in the same conversation. No breaking off to another tool, no re-importing. Claude can filter, compare, reframe, and build on it without anything leaving the thread. One more thing worth knowing about how this fits into a bigger picture. The Google Keyword Planner connector is a part of Smacient's Claude connector for marketers, a single MCP URL that unlocks 47 tools across 14 platforms. The same connection that pulls keyword data also gives you Claude live access to Instagram posts, TikTok videos, YouTube channels, Google Map reviews, Amazon reviews, App Store and Google Store data, Meta Ads Library, Google Ads Library, Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Meta Ads, and Google Ads. Thing setup, no API keys to manage per platform, just the question in plain English. The link to get started is in the description below. We'll also attach the link for full guide about the setup and the tool information in the description below as well. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you.